Check this out, guys. Easy way to make money online with CPA marketing in some simple steps. The first step right here will actually involve you heading onto this platform called the FreePLR to actually download a free PLR on any niche of your choice. So you just need to come right here and you just need to go on to focusing on any niche right here. As you can see, the niches are quite numerous, ranging from the addiction niche, affiliate marketing, to the business, to the clickbank, copywriting, and a lot more of niches right now. So if you can focus on any niche of your choice right there, just simply select the PLR from that particular niche. If you just select that and the page loads up, you'll be brought to a page similar to this. Scroll on to the bottom section, click on this download icon, and you can just simply download this PLR for absolutely free. Once you download the PLR right there, head on to this platform called the mediafire.com. Right here on mediafire.com, all you actually need to do is to click on the upload icon to upload that ebook for absolutely free right there. But you need to sign up to this platform first of all. It's 100% free. Do sign up for Mediafire and go on to uploading that ebook. Click on this plus icon, select the ebook from your device and upload on the platform right now. I already have some cool ebooks right here already uploaded on this particular platform. You can see this one right here is on the weight loss right now. This is also on weight loss right here. This is actually on training your dog, and there are actually a lot of niches I'm actually focusing on. You can actually do see right here for this one. I'm just going to click on this three dots right here, copy the link to this particular ebook, then head on to this particular platform called Cpagrip. I'm just going to click on register right now. I'm going to be brought to a page similar to this. Fill out all details on the field related or having those red asterisk signs right there. So provide all your details on the field having those red asterisk signs. That's if you don't actually have an account on the platform. So once you do that right there, agree to the terms of service and register for an account before logging into your account. So right now, guys, I'm logged into my account, and you want to come onto a page that looks similar to this right here. And to get to this page, all you need to do is to come onto this section that says monetization tools. Select that. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select the URL file locker option, and you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this. You can actually click on create new URL file locker. You could read through the terms of service via this section, and you can actually agree to that right here. Click on continue to actually head on to continuing to that right now. So you want to come onto this locked URL section and paste the link to that your ebook right now, which you actually copied. So right now, guys, once you've actually given this inserted your link right here that you got from Mediafire into this locked URL section, go on to the template and actually select a very cool template right here. Go on back to the general and give this locker a name. Maybe I can actually name this something like new locker right here. If I do name it something like this, I can actually then come right here, click on save, and my URL file locker would be generated. Once my URL file locker has actually been generated, I can click on get link and copy the link to this URL file locker, then create a simple landing page for this and link this particular locker to the landing page. You can create a landing page with either breezy.io, GetResponse, Systemy.io, or any other free landing page builder site of your choice. Or you could also use the paid one. But if you come onto my channel right here, OJ Marketing, and click on this search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing page. Once you do type that in, click on enter right here. You will be shown some cool videos I actually created for you that shows you how to create simple landing pages with platforms like Google Sites, Systemy.io, Webflow, GetResponse, Breezy.cloud, and so on and so forth. So guys, check out such videos to learn how to create simple landing pages right now that can actually help you go on to getting better conversions to your CPA marketing offer. So once you've created a landing page and linked that to your CPA offer, the next step which you want to just simply go on to doing is to create a promotional video for that particular offer. And you can actually head on to this platform called invideo.io to do so. So you come onto the platform called invideo.io and you want to just simply sign up to the platform. You sign up for the InVideo AI right here, and you will be brought to this page once you successfully sign up. So you can actually then go on to checking out the workflow right now. Maybe you want to create an explainer video, a script to video, YouTube short, or any kind of stuff right here. Maybe I want to create explainer video. I'm going to select that right here. You actually want to come right here and select the duration of the video. Maybe if I want a 5-minute video, I'm going to select that. I'm actually going to give this a topic right here. And if I'm focusing on the weight loss niche, I'm just going to put something related to weight loss. So right now I actually included the topic which says the benefit of weight loss. You can actually put in optional creative directions which will make the video your own by adding some detailed creative thoughts and ideas like tone or humor. I can actually ask the AI to add a little humor. So once I actually do this right here, the next thing is to actually select the kind of background music. If you want it to be dark, to be haunting, to be upbeat and happy, maybe I can actually put in something like happy. And you can actually go into inserting some settings like maybe they use what the kind of voiceover you want to use. If you want a male voice, a female voice, or your voice, you can use that. I'm going to leave this on any. You can actually select the kind of voice. I'm going to select a clear American voice right now. You can also go into adding subtitles if you want. And once you are done, just simply click on continue. Then you can see right here the prompt has actually been edited. What you need to do next is just simply click on create right now, and you can see right now it's analyzing your prompt. After it's done analyzing this prompt right here, guys, it's going to go on to thinking right there. And once it's done thinking, as you can see right now, it's going to just simply generate a simple title for this video right now. And it's going to generate a good title for your video right there and go on to preparing your video in a matter of a minute or maybe more or maybe less. So take a look at this right here. This is the title that was generated. It says shed pounds, gain weight, the lighter side of weight loss. And you can see right now the video is actually preparing, or the video preparation is in progress. So take a look at this right now. I actually have some additional prompts which I need to just simply fix in. Right here I'm actually required to select the kind of audience I want. Maybe I want fitness enthusiasts, weight loss seekers, or humor lovers. I'm just going to select weight loss seekers. You also need to select the kind of look or feel you want for your video. I'm going to select something like inspiring and leave the platform on YouTube. So right now I'm going to click on continue, and you can see right now that my video generation is actually in progress. So you need to just simply be patient and wait until this particular percentage gets up to 100. Once that gets up to 100, guys, your video will actually be generated on this platform. So take a look at this right now. The video has actually been created. I can actually come right here, click on export video right here, and it's going to take me to the page where I can just simply go on to downloading that video on my device. So you just need to download the video on your device right now. Before you download the video, you can actually edit the video right here via this section. You could also go on to giving the AI tool a little command right now to go on to editing this video. Supposing you don't like the second scene or the third scene, you can actually indicate that scene, telling them that they should change that particular video in that scene, and click on generate. You could actually ask the AI to go on to change it from a male voice to a female voice, and it's going to do that right here. So basically just simply go on to exporting the video once you're done, and you then want to just simply go into as many social media platforms as you can to go into promoting that video and your CPA marketing offer also. So what you need to do is to head on to platforms right there. Maybe if you want to just simply utilize platforms like YouTube, go on to uploading that particular video on YouTube, and make sure that the link to that particular URL file locker is always available in the description of that particular video, and you're just going to be promoting your offer that way, because in that particular video there will be a section directing people to the link in the description of the video. So you also want to do this right now. You also want to just simply go into as many other social media platforms and do the same thing. Make sure that the link to that CPA marketing URL file locker is always available to them in the description of the video, such that they actually have to gain access to an ebook right there. But before they can gain access to that ebook, they have to go through your URL file locker, complete some offers, and you do make money. So basically, guys, this is a cool strategy which you could leverage right now. And if the video did add some value to you, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.